When I first got here, there was 3 or 4 greens that were pretty aggressive in terms of how much dry patch they get on them in very quick time. In weather that wasn't really even that hot. That's probably the biggest challenge down here, and we've only got 4 people on staff, so using something like Stressgard formulation, I've really seen it help, which means I could take people off hoses and use them around the course. It's been a huge tool for us to use in terms of taking a lot of stress off the greens, especially the ones that we have some issues with. But I also found during summer I could really turn down or even turn off the amount of water that I used on the greens, which then allowed me to be a bit more aggressive with the preparation. And it's been a huge bonus for us. It just means we can prepare a better golf course for people to come and play and enjoy themselves. Definitely a lot less hand watering in the 17th green, which was treated. To the naked eye, they both look identical as far as their presentation goes, but then you look under the images here and definitely see a lot more stress around on the 2nd green. After a couple of days of thinking that it's okay, by day 2 or 3 you'll start to get caught out with a bit of stress, a bit of dry patch there. You know, with the treated greens, they're down to around that 13 centimetre mark, which obviously gives them a lot more of a chance to hold on during those stressful times, which is great to see. We're pretty happy with how the roots have developed this year. Compared to this time last year, we're very happy with the development of the root system. You're always going to be reactive at some stage during summer, whether it's dry patch or a bit of disease pops up, or you'll always find those little surprises through spring and summer, but certainly there's been a lot less of that. Being able to stick to my program, use that consistently, it's been really good peace of mind. Being able to come in each day and finding the golf course how you left it the day before and being able to carry on with your usual work, it's really good. We've only got 4 on staff here, and the less spraying we have to do, it just means we're getting more done on the golf course than what we have been able to do in the past. I think the more the turf can look after itself, the stronger the turf is, then I think it's beneficial for everyone. It's beneficial for the greens, the players, ourselves, the environment. So having a tool like this to be able to use, it's just fantastic.